Looky here, guys. We have a Winnebago Itasca. It's a Viva ProMaster chassis. These things are just die-hard little chassis too. Just came in, so we started cleaning it up. We got some boogers right here. Somebody got up against something and they decided to try to fix it with a rattle can. Fortunately, nothing's broken, but our paint department can make that look like brand new. It's a tankless water heater. Looks like a Truma. I'll try to do one of these 5-minute videos for you guys. Now, this guy that we got it from actually put a spare tire rack on it, as these do not come with a spare tire. This is the main storage on the outside. Pretty good sized storage compartment right there. Electric steps, electric awning. Awning's in really good shape. It's really clean. However, somebody got up against a tree on the outside and rubbed it right there. So we could put a patch on that, no problem. I've seen these ProMasters. You go online and look at a lot of the videos to maintenance them. They'll have 5, 6, 700,000 miles on them as fleet vehicles for like HVAC companies and so on. Let's see what we got here. This has the auto June start on it. Turn some air conditioning on in here. Or has little accent lights. Storage right here. So you push and release on these. And this one has a handle right here. There's a TV under here, which is for the bed up top. Curtains to where you can close this off. Got the chairs turned around. Got some storage up here. And on the other side, you can open and close this here. Oh, it's got some LED lights up there as well. Close this down. Now you can make this into a bed. There is storage under this one and this one. This one here has the water tank underneath it. Stereo there. Storage under the sink. Drawers. This one here is pretty shallow. 2-burner cooktop. Pantry here that slides out. I like how Winnebago, this is just an access panel, but I love how they give you access to anything that's needed. Now, like I said, we haven't cleaned this one up yet. This should be a AC or 12-volt refrigerator, microwave. More storage here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. New storage compartment right here. And the bathroom, rear bath, makes for a lot bigger space. Very good sized closet here. Storage underneath. I like how they use these here instead of having a big door in your way. Now, this is the magic button right here. We got a full-size bed up there. Well, that might be a queen-size bed. So you could actually lay this flat, come all the way across, and make this a bed going all the way across from one wall to the other. So however you'd want to stack kids or humans in there and then sleep up here. But you could comfortably sleep 2 adults, and 2 kids. I don't know if I'd want 6 people in a motorhome, but hey, at least it's an option. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know we got this in. We're gonna start cleaning it up where it's clean as a whistle, and make sure it's all ready to hit the road for somebody's home on wheels. Real cool fact about these is a lot of people use them as luxury travel vans. I didn't realize that when we first started selling B-Class, because people would say, yeah, we're never gonna sleep in it. But they like the fact that they can pull over anytime they want, take a nap, and I guess they're going to stay at the Hyatt Regency. I like the scheme on the interior. Looks like a custom car or something. But yeah, Randy Elliott, Quality Wheels and RV, 501-276-5500. You can look at all of our inventory, videos, and everything at qualitywheels.com. Looks like we've been in a little over 5 minutes. Happy camping. Don't hesitate to call anytime. And don't forget, if everybody knew how amazing it was to be a child of the Most High God, you would be one.